Hey everyone, there are two main ways to turn off comments in Meta Business Suite depending on whether your post is already published or you're creating a new one. I'll walk you through both methods so you can use whichever fits your situation. The first method is for posts that are already live. This is useful when a post's comment section has become unmanageable or you need to disable comments after the fact. Start by going to the Content tab in the left-hand navigation menu of Business Suite. You'll see a feed of all your published posts. Scroll down to find the post you want to modify, or use the filters at the top to narrow down your search by date, range, or platform. Once you've found the post, click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner of that post's card. This opens a drop-down menu with several management options. In that menu, you'll see options like Edit Post, Pin to Top, and Delete Post. Look for the option that says Turn Off Commenting and click it. A pop-up might appear asking you to confirm. Once you confirm, comments will be immediately disabled. Any existing comments will be hidden, and users won't be able to add new ones. When people view the post, the comment button will be gone, and they'll see a small message stating that comments have been turned off. If that's not your situation and you're creating a brand new post, the second method lets you turn off comments before you even publish. This is perfect for planned announcements where you've already decided that public discussion isn't needed. Log into Meta Business Suite and click the Create Post button on your home screen, or from the Content tab. The post creation window will open. In the Posts section, choose your Facebook page, your Instagram account, or both. Add your images or video, write your caption, and include any links or tags just as you normally would. Now, while you're still in the Post Composer, you need to locate the comment setting. The exact location can shift with interface updates, but it's typically below each platform's preview. You might see drop-down menus or a toggle switch for each platform. Toggle the switch or check the box to turn off commenting for the platform you've chosen. You can disable it on Instagram, but leave it on for Facebook, or vice versa, giving you flexible control. Once you've finalized everything, click Publish to send it live immediately, or select Schedule to post it later. Your post will go live with comments already turned off. One thing to watch out for if you're scheduling a post for later, the comment control options might not appear in the scheduler. If that happens, the workaround is simple. Once your scheduled post goes live, go back to the Content tab, find your post, click the three dots, and select Turn Off Commenting. It's an extra step, but it gets the job done. Quick note, these methods apply to organic posts on Facebook, pages, and Instagram business accounts. For Meta ads, the functionality is different and may require using moderation tools instead. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.